A very common question and dilemma that I hear is, hey, Dr. Dickerson, my teeth are getting smaller and smaller. I'm grinding them down. I've been wearing a night guard for years. What's going on? I want to dispel a myth, which is that teeth grinding is a result of stress in your life and you're not managing your stress well. I feel like every imbalance in our body is going to be exacerbated by underlying stress, but it's not the root cause, in my opinion, of tooth grinding. Typically, your body's nervous system responds to an imbalance between the jaw joint and the bite, and it's almost trying to really balance that out during the nighttime hours or during the day by this kind of parafunctional wear. So, outside of chewing or speaking, your body just kind of goes to work on the imbalance. So, to me, to get to the root cause, we really need to do a more deep dive into what's going on between the jaw joints and the bite and every single tooth in your mouth to be causing this stress response, but also then manifest a pathway forward to bring the whole system back into harmony. So don't feel bad because you think it's all stress and your night guard is just a band-aid. Give us a call if you think you need a little more help with this.